We're heading to Nordhouse, do some winter camping. We're heading to Nordhouse Dunes Wilderness. It's gonna be wild and crazy and white and snowy. We started a hike at the Nürnberg Trailhead, Manistee National Forest. It's February 3 o'clock. We are at Nordhouse Dunes. Ready to go. We're gonna hike in and camp out for a night. It's 32 degrees out here today. Just got some fresh snow, so we're just gonna spend one night in the tent, enjoy this wilderness area. We're here at the Nürnberg Trailhead. We're just gonna head in, find a place to stay tonight. Very easy pulling this sled. I wear my backpack, but towing it. Got our first hill. It's really pretty out here today with fresh snow. Rick, how's it feeling? You doing okay? Mike?
Great.
You able to pull that thing?
I think so.
It's as easy as backpacking.
It is.
Gonna go off trail here, see if we can find a camping spot. Very easy pulling these sleds. It's 4 o'clock, we found a spot here. I don't think it's too far from Lake Michigan. Gonna set up our tent and hammock in this area. How's the hammock setting up going? You got a tie back cover?
Tie back cover.
Good.
Trying it out. It'll be noisy.
Here's Rick and I's lodging for the night. Yes. We'll have plenty of room in there. We brought wood with us and everything. So we're gonna have fire tonight at our site. Find a good fire pit. We're bushwhacking to Lake Michigan, but it's hard to imagine this is all sand dunes in the summer. There's a lot of climbing in here. There's Lake Michigan. First sighting. We're gonna hike over to it. It is loud. We thought that was wind, but it's actually the waves. It's all a dune area here. Big blowout. There's no ice on the shoreline. Nothing. No ice. That's it. The lighthouse is way too far, so we're heading back via the woods instead of the shoreline. beautiful hike. What do you guys think of the spot?
I think it's awesome. Peachy.
We got our tent, and then Mike's got his hammock set up over there, camouflaged. And we're gonna get a fire going here, cook some dinner. Got our fire going. Cooking up some potatoes and cheese and hot dogs. Next to the fire, we got some pork and beans in there, warming up. Mike's got his Kelly kettle, boiling up some hot water for some hot chocolate.
At one point I was like, okay, I just gotta get out of here.
Morning, guys.
Morning.
All right, guys, how'd you sleep last night?
Pretty good.
8 o'clock Tuesday morning, and we got a little fire going. Stayed toasty warm last night. About 18 degrees this morning, but man, I was warm last night. It was a beautiful night. The wind's picking up, and we're gonna hike out of here today. Go check out the lighthouse. Got the coffee going, got some hash browns, Hungry Jack hash browns. We got some eggs and some hot dogs, which will be our sausage. Just add water. Rick, Master Chef, he's got those sausage going. Got some hot chocolate warming me up. Add the hash browns, and next we add the eggs. We've added the egg, so we got egg, hash browns, and sausage. It's about done.
Okay, I think it's good here. Is that? Yes.
Rick's all geared up on his sled, and Mike's got his all packed up and ready to go. I'm ready to go. All our firewood's burned up, so this is gonna be a light load out of here. There's this leftover fire. I'm gonna put that out. Some snow. It's 10:20. We're packing out, and we're gonna head back to the parking lot. We're gonna head to the lighthouse. We gotta find out where we came into this place. I think we're lost. We gotta go back there and left.
Pretty sweet.
That's nice.
We had a light snow this morning, which was pretty, and probably 15, 20 degrees this morning, so pretty nice. Doing okay back there, Rick? Oh yeah, we're gonna do House of Flavors today. Yeah.
I could really use some ice cream to warm me up.
Actually, ice cream sounds good. Ice cream always sounds good. $10.50, made it back to the parking lot, so we were about a half an hour walk in for our camping adventure. Yeah. And there's nobody else in the parking lot. They got an outhouse, trash, and it's $5 per vehicle per day to park here. Roads are plowed in and out of here, which is nice. Rick is flying down this road this morning. Take it easy, man. We're heading into Ludington State Park. It's the entrance to Ludington State Park. This is the channel into Hamlin Lake. Rick, we just got shut down. The Ludington State Park is closed for construction, which is non-existent right now, but we were walking to the lighthouse and a guy caught us, made us turn around and go back. So we're not happy. I mean, there's no construction workers anywhere within 100 miles. But they wouldn't let us in, so we're heading to House of Flavors.